What we're providing is contextual security for the end-user computing market, and what we see is a massive change in how people are working, what location they are working, where they're working, what devices they are using. So what we see is that we develop or disrupt the market, that we enable people working from everywhere, working with any device, but also fulfill the existing security requirements that users can access their environment. IGEL has a massive opportunity out there in the market with a great solution for all sorts of customers, especially in the enterprise, because the market is so dramatically changing. What we see is in a joint approach is that we are able to have a full chain of, let's say, secure access to work environments within end-user computing. Now, since 3 years, we're working close with IGEL on the marketing side, or on the business side, as well as on the technical side. I think we have a quite similar channel model, and we have similar channel partners. So what we are doing is clearly doing joint events, partner events, customer events, but also from a training point of view. So we're doing training stuff for partners together with a joint solution approach. The partners are able to provide an entire solution of both products to their customers. I think what we hear from our channel partners is that the joint solution approach that we have for the customers is a unique solution. So our partners are able to provide their customers with a secure, full chain of secure end-user computing, which they don't have in the market. There is an insurance customer, for instance, using both technologies, so IGEL on one hand side, the UMS, so the full solution stack from IGEL, as well as device trust. And what the reason was for the customer is to provide their employees to work from home, but this needs to be done in a very secure way. So the customer was able to give employees the ability to work from home by saving a lot of money, not having to implement leased lines to connect to the virtual environment in the cloud, because customers now looking into, for instance, DaaS solutions to get their desktops or their work environment from the cloud. And what we see is, again, this has to be done in a very secure, compliant way. So there is a huge market opportunity for IGEL as well as for device trust, because this is a massively growing market. The cloud is becoming real. So when we're talking to customers and partners, customers are adopting the cloud technology, moving into the cloud. So this is one of the findings, to see that the cloud becomes real. Challenge everything means to me, or to us, that as said, the work environment is completely changing. So it's not the same way as we did it in the past. So we need to think about new ways. We need to think about what customers want to approach within the next 2 to 3 years, even with cloud coming in and other stuff. That means that we need to look in all different areas how we can provide a secure end-user computing for the customers in the future.